Hello children, good morning. Children, in today's Hindi class we will be learning Swachhata Anivarya hai. Cleanliness is essential. I have taught you all. We have already written in the textbook, page 50, Nahana, Padna, Khana, this all, right? All the action words we have written, right? So, every one of you all open Hindi textbook, page number 16. Here, mom is explaining to her son, one of the women is explaining to her son that how important is being neat and clean and what all the things it will create if we are not neat and clean. See, Swachhata Anivarya hai. Cleanliness is essential. Neatness is always essential. Here one boy wanted to eat food. We'll see what they are talking. Mom and son. माँ भूख लगी है. What is saying? Mom, I am hungry. आओ खाना खा लो. Come to eat food. Mom is telling. Then in next, जल्दी करो माँ. Quickly mom. He is telling, quickly I am feeling I am very much hungry. Then mom is saying, खाने से पहले हाथ धोकर आओ. Go and wash your hands before eating. Now the boy is telling, पर क्यों माँ? But why mom? Then क्योंकि गंदे हाथों से खाओगे तो बीमार पड़ जाओगे. Say children, गंदे हाथों से खाओगे तो बीमार पड़ जाओगे. What it means? Because you may fall ill eating with dirty hands. Ill means what? Becoming sick. Okay? We may fall sick if we eat the food without washing our hands, without washing our mouth, without washing our face, because all the dirt and dust, whatever, wherever we are playing outside, if we are playing outside and coming back to our home and eating without washing our face or without bathing or without even washing our hands, all the dirt and germs, whatever have been settled on our fingers and hands, will get into your stomach and you gradually fall sick. Okay? बीमार पड़ जाओगे means what? Falling sick. Now, माँ स्वच्छता के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए? What he is asking? Mom, what should be done to remain clean? This is his question, this boy's question. खाना खाने के बाद कुल्ला करो. कुल्ला means what? After eating food, you need to rinse your mouth. Take little bit of 2 or 3 sips of water in your mouth. Gargle it. Gargling means rinsing your mouth, not gargling. Rinsing your mouth so that all the food particles whichever have been stuck in between your gums as well as your teeth will come out with the pressure of water. Okay children, if you are not doing these kind of things, what will happen means the food particles, the tiniest food particles which are stuck in between our teeth will remain there itself till next day morning, till we brush our teeth. Okay, and when they are stuck in between our teeth, what will happen if we are doing every day like that only without rinsing our mouth, we are sleeping or we are just skipping that things. These food particles leads to destroying the teeth. I mean they'll spoil the teeth first, then the tooth decay will start, then the cavity will start growing. That means the small holes will start forming in between our teeth, which will destroy completely our teeth and we may lose the teeth. So instead of these all drama, we need to rinse our mouth after eating. Okay? What he is telling? Rinse your mouth with water after eating a meal. Meal means what? Food, one time food. Next, प्रतिदिन दांत साफ करो. Brush your teeth every day. Next one, प्रतिदिन स्नान करो. Take a bath every day. What all you need to do children? Rinse your mouth, brush your teeth, take the bath. सदा साफ कपड़े पहनो. Always wear clean clothes, neat and clean clothes. बिना ढका खाना कभी मत खाओ. Never eat uncovered food. The food which is not at all covered properly, we shouldn't eat. And the things, especially small children will go to the normal shops and they will buy the toffees, some, I don't know, some different kinds of like chocolates which are not at all covered. The shopkeeper will open that jar and he'll put his hands and take out a single individual piece, and he'll be giving directly with his dirty hand. The children playing, they'll be playing with that, with their dirty hands itself, they'll eat there itself. That is completely dirty habit, children. You should never eat uncovered food. This all leads to your bad health. Better don't eat such kind of food. Go to home and eat whatever your mom has prepared for your fresh and hot food. Okay, hot means not completely hot, warm. Next one, नाखूनों को नियमित रूप से काटते रहो. Trim your nails regularly. We should never grow our nails. What will happen if we grow our nails? The dust may settle down inside the nails, and when we wash our hands also, the dirt will not come out easily from the fingernails. Okay. And what will happen? The food when we are mixing, if we are eating with the spoon, that is okay. If you are eating with the spoon also, the germs will come out of our fingernails and settle on the spoon. So better you trim your nails. Okay. Trimming the nails leads to a good health. And the toenails also will give the germs will settle down in between the nails, and it will eat up the skin. Okay. Which will give pain and lots of like irritation, irritated skin. So better you have to follow all the good habits and neatness to keep your body, mind and heart, everything neat, healthy and clean. Okay children, this is the part only you need to read this one in the textbook part. You no need to write this one anyway. Just go through and read. Okay. If possible, this one you guys, whoever are interested, the same pictures you can take out and you can paste it on the chart and you can submit me if you are interested. It's not compulsory. If you are interested, these pictures you can take out the printout and you can paste and you can write these dialogues and write down what all are the good habits. Okay children, bye bye, take care. We will be meeting in the next video. We will be starting our third lesson. Okay, bye.